Welcome back, tech enthusiasts. If you're battling with that pesky red line on your LG monitor, you are in the right place. In this guide, we'll explore exactly how to fix the red line on your LG monitor, ensuring a crisp and clear display to enhance your viewing experience. Let's dive into the solutions that will get your monitor back in top shape. Step 1. Check cable connection. First things first, check those cables. Sometimes a loose or damaged cable can be the root cause of the problem. Turn off your monitor and unplug it from the power source. Carefully detach the video cable, such as HDMI or DisplayPort, from both your monitor and computer. Inspect the cable for any signs of damage, like bent pins or fraying. Firmly reattach the cable, ensuring it's securely connected. If possible, try using a different cable of the same type to see if the issue persists. Step 2. Update graphics drivers. Outdated graphics drivers can often lead to display issues like red lines. To update your graphics drivers, go to the device manager on your PC. Find your graphics card under Display Adapter. Right-click on it and select Update Driver. Follow the on-screen instructions to search automatically for updated driver software. Once updated, restart your computer and check if the red line issue is resolved. Step 3. Adjust monitor settings. If the red line is still bothering you, it's time to dive into the monitor settings. Access the on-screen display by pressing the menu button on your monitor. Navigate through the settings to find options related to image or picture adjustment. Look for a factory reset option to return your monitor settings to their default values. Be sure to save these changes and see if the red line has disappeared. Step 4. Test on another device. If you've tried the previous steps and the red line persists, it's helpful to test your monitor with another device. Connect your LG monitor to a different computer or laptop using a compatible video cable. If the red line appears on the new device as well, the issue may be with the monitor hardware. However, if the line does not appear, the original computer's graphics card or settings might be the problem. Step 5. Seek professional help. When all else fails, it might be time to consult a professional. Contact LG customer support for help or take your monitor to a certified repair center. If your monitor is still under warranty, this might cover repair costs. Professional technicians can diagnose any internal hardware issues responsible for the red line. And there you have it. By following these steps, you should have a good chance of fixing the red line on your LG monitor. Remember to regularly check for software updates and handle your hardware with care to prevent future issues. Whether it's a simple cable connection or a more complex hardware issue, we've got you covered. Happy viewing, and may your screen stay clear and vibrant.